Welcome in the house of dance music. Some of the best songs selected by nurses. Get ready to feel the madness.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, AllyCats. And if you're not an AllyCat, become one. Join the kitty litter. It's not as gross as it sounds. Please subscribe, like this video. It means so much and it really helps me out. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Please turn on the notification bell so you know when I post. I post every Friday. And let's get into this video. Now today's video, as you can maybe see by the title, who knows what I'm going to title this, but I know you all saw that music video, and I know that you were as slayed and as gagged as I was. Oh my god, I screamed throughout that entire music video. I haven't even said the name yet. The music video for Rain on Me by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. It was amazing. Like, I was sweaty by the end of it because I was just overwhelmed by the I don't have words. I don't have words for it. Honestly, the old Gaga vibes. The like OG Gaga feel to it just was amazing. And Ariana slayed it and the choreography was incredible. You guys know what I'm about to say. The makeup. The makeup in that music video has me so inspired. I want to do every single look. I struggled today to decide which look I was going to recreate because I want to do them all. There is one that has been really standing out with everyone. I feel like everyone is recreating this specific look. It's the graphic white eyeliner look. It was a standout makeup. It was just so cool. You know what? I don't want to ramble too much with this. We gotta get into this video, okay? Let's get into this. Right now, as you can see, I have on my base makeup. I did it all. All I need to do are the eyes, and we're gonna do that together. Starting out, I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. I recently got this in a BoxyCharm, and I actually really enjoy it. It's similar to the one that I love, that I use all the time, the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, but it has a stickier base to it. I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera, actually, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I did one eye off camera. This is such a fun look, like, ah! And it's honestly not that hard to do either, so let me show you how I did this. I did this look to complement my eye shape and the fact that I have hooded eyes. You're going to have to kind of look at your own eye shape and bone structure to understand how much space you have, how high up your white line should be. The next step is to just add a little shading, a little definition to the eye. So I'm using the Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette and just using the shade Taupe de Taupe. I'm going in with just a big fluffy crease brush and really just adding soft definition. We want this to be super blown out, super blended, soft, just to add some type of shadow. Now I'll be using a smaller crease brush and taking that same taupe and going up underneath my lash line about halfway and doing what I always do. I don't think this is within the look at all, but this is something that I just have to do, okay? And that is contour my eye bags. Now you need some sort of light in your inner corner, and I'm going to be using the shade Icon mixed with the shade Champagne Chic. Next we're going to be creating that black eyeliner. Now the liner that I'm doing is the exact same eyeliner that I did in my winged liner for hooded eyes tutorial. Go check that out if you want some more detailed explanation of why I do it this way, but I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. This is the Slick With It liner in Blickity Black. So once you have your basic wing, you need to extend it all the way across in a thin line across the lid, but also extend this inner corner with that same liner. She also, or her makeup artist also, rimmed her eyes completely with black liner. I'm going to be using the Esquido gel eyeliner in black. And now the fun part, the white graphic liner. I'm using the NYX Epic Wear waterproof liquid liner, and I'm going to start by lining right up underneath where I smoked out that bottom lash line, and then bringing the line straight up next to the wing. So you see I followed that line completely. Now we're going to make it a wing at the corner and then go right almost where you would place your cut crease. That's about a good placement for this. Try not to get it in your hair like I did. I'm going little by little, especially considering that I'm trying to match up to the other side now. And sometimes it helps to create a bit of the line and then go to the inner corner, and then you can connect the two. So her inner corner doesn't attach all the way down. It starts right about in the center. And I'm making a very faint line. I'm going very light with this because you can always build it up afterwards, just to get the initial shape. So that's about the shape that you want to create, and then you can start fussing with it to make it perfect. The next thing we're going to be doing is our lashes, and I have a really exciting surprise for you guys. And the surprise is I'm trying out for the very first time magnetic false lashes. I just got this package. This is from the brand Glamnetic, and they make magnetic false lashes. I'm trying them for the first time. Like, they are in their package. I can't freaking wait. I bought a whole collection, so I'm actually going to do an unboxing video, first impressions of all those lashes. It comes with an eyeliner, and it's a magnetic liquid eyeliner. So I'll be doing that. I'll sweep this across my lash line, and then I'm gonna pop these babies on, and I'm just so excited to try this out. This is gonna be so cool. The lashes I'm using today are the Vibe lashes. Look at those babies. Ooh, I'm gonna have some drama on the outer corner of my lash. Oh my fucking, oh my god. It stuck immediately. That is crazy. Oh shit. What the hell? What? Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna get some bottom mascara on, and I'm gonna do a little rain dance. And that is how you get Ariana's look from the Rain On Me video with Lady Gaga. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to do this graphic white liner. Every look from that freaking video is amazing and iconic, and I'm gonna recreate it even if it's just for myself at 2 a.m. and then I take it off. I can't help myself. I'm going to do it when it's not relevant anymore. I'm just gonna do it anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. If you're not an AllyCat, become one. AllyCat. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can become AllyCats too. Like this video. Turn on that notification bell so you know when I post. I post every Friday. Please stick with me. I have some awesome content coming up. It's exciting, honestly. Like, thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye!